Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to change the theme in Gmail. So you might not have realized it, but you don't have to just have a boring white background in your Gmail email account. You can change the theme. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So open up your Gmail account, click on the settings tab, scroll down, and you've got like a theme section here. So click on view all, and you've got lots of different options. There's different sort of like scenic backgrounds, or you can just choose a color or something different out here, or you can even add your own photos in. So I'm going to try a few of them out and see what they look like. So a bit of an ocean view, so you can see it's turned everything blue like you're at sea. We've got like flowers, so that's a bit much really, or you can just go for like a basic colour if there's a colour you like, or something a bit funky like these jellyfish. It really is up to you. There's so many different choices. So choose one, and when you're happy with it, just click on save, and you have changed your theme in Gmail. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.